Amen, same man. It's your boy Little, and I'm back with another video. And Nachu, how you doing? How you feeling? Zari, yabbalik and nasalifo. Zari kalfaga watan nagay. We're going to have fun. And we're going to review narago bital magabit. You know what I'm trying to say? Na ይበላል ምናምን ፈታ እንላለን. I don't even know. Just ምንም unplanned የሆነ ነገር ነው ግን ሄደን ምናምን ነገር we'll see how it goes. Already thumbnail ላይ አይታችኋታል. ከዛ ጋር ፈታ እንላለን ምናምን ነገር. Have a good one. ይመቻችሁ. I don't even know where she at, but there's we're at Burgeriza and yeah, pretty chilling and shit. I think this is her. Yo, look. This is her. Doesn't look look, look. She's just waiting for me. This is my first time meeting. Yo, how you doing? What's good? We're back. We're back. This is my first impression. I'm gonna so tell them your name. Uh-huh.
Kind of.
I love it. Kind of his people. Yeah. Tell them your name.
ስሜ አልፋ ፋሲል ይባላል።
Okay.
As far as I'm almost 20 next month. This month I'm sorry.
So she's legal, man. You know what I mean? She's legal.
Yeah, I guess. I'm 20 and I go to college.
Yeah. That's what's up. That's what's up.
Yeah.
Okay. She's but I'm shy, by the way.
Yeah, very
Listen,
shy.
I'm trying to, you know what I mean?
But I'm Japan.
Here,
Better.
which is not a bad thing, to be honest.
Last week my it was so bad.
If they're allowed to, if you're allowed to play, so I think we'll be straight, no?
Yeah.
Which one did you plant so far?
Yeah.
That one? That shit was terrible. But,
No, it's fun.
it was
No, I think
it is fun. Good. It's but I'm horrifying, but I'm messed up. But
you know, they're childish. They're childish.
exactly. Well, that's what I'm saying. What about this one?
Yeah, we did banda for
This one?
Kramtes.
I never did this one.
It's fun, Yona. Float here, can I miss?
It's but I'm crazy. I'm gonna ask for it. Yeah, I don't know. Me as well.
Yeah, as well, better. You know, you feel so dizzy. Right after, then kaza.
Let's go. Play whatever. Sost like the day. Guess የሚለዋል. The thing ከዛን ጀምረ ነው ወደዚህ እንመጣለን. So yeah. That's pretty much it. ኢሜቻችሁ stay tuned. Yeah, ገና ልንገባ ነበረ ከኛ በኋላ የመጡ ሰዎች ምናምን ገቡ which is በጣም boring. እና እኛና like couple people ምናምን ቁጭ ብለዋል.
በጣም boring.
Sad.
Yeah, በጣም sad.
Really sad. TikTok እየሰራ
I know.
በጣም the most fun. I'm having the most fun TikTok ስንሰራ. Oh shit.
You said you go with it. You have tried it.
I never tried it. Yeah, I never tried it. Well, next is Anamnido. Show them your nails. I fuck with the nails.
Okay.
Damn. Yeah. But I'm scary. Look. This is the one who's supposed to be saving my life, indeed. እና እኔ ነኝ የምቆጥረው እና ይሄ ራስ ድርቅ ይላል ናት ራሱ እንትን ይላል
እኛ የምናስረው
ወገባችን ላይ ምሳሌ ነው አልገባኝ ከብሩ ጋር የምታሰረው ወይስ ከኔ ጋር ራሴ ላይ የምታሰረው አቻ ቦይ አለኩ Oh my fucking god. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh hell no, man. Oh shit. Oh. Oh my god. This is bad. Stomach ache, oh my god. Bro, how you feel? I feel like vomiting. I want to puke better. I want to puke so bad. Indeed? I'm even shaking. When it stops, fuck this shit. Shit is bad. This is yo, bad. No, this is a bad decision. It's a really bad decision. I really want to puke and shit, you know? How you feeling? She's about to puke. Oh my god, this is really bad. What's good, people? We're back. We're back. It's really bad. Really bad. My antenna is gone. My tolerance to whatever and the ነገር is gone. Is there any game ከተጫወት ከዚህ በኋላ I'm going to puke. I can't handle it. አልፈታኝም ግን she's chilling. Yeah, she's chilling. just እንግባ ምናምን ነገር ነው እንግባ እያለች ነው አይመጡም እኔ አልገባም ከገባሁኝ I can't do it. So ግን ትኬት ቆርጠናል ሪፈንደብል አይደለም ተብሏል. So it is what it is. Fuck it. ከሚያምኝ ፈን ለማድረግ መጥቼ ከሚያምኝ ቢቀር ይችላል በሚለው What do you think?
Yeah, ካመመ ይቀር ምን ላግኝ you know
ሌላ ቀምታችሁ ምናምን ተጠቀሙ አስፈርማችሁ ምናምን ተብለና so if you guys watching this it's a giveaway. It's a giveaway. Come and take it, huh?
Yeah, if you're watching this comment አድርጉና
ግን አሁን ሆቴል እንበላ ነው I'm hungry as fuck ስንት ሰዓት ነው 8 ሰዓት ነው እስካሁን አልበላሁም damn I might eat something else too but no yeah that's pretty much it በቃ ደግሞ የሆነ dumpling house አለ ሸገር አካባቢ እድነሞ እዛ ሄደን ደግሞ እንበላለን አሁን እንትን ደርሰናል ሻውፋ መተናል we're about to eat ምግብ ልንበላ so the thing is swab እንትን ብላ አታውቅም እዚህ መታ አታውቅም this is our first time we're going to rate it 1 to 10 እሷ ከቀመሰች በኋላ hopefully then is like 9 out of 10 which is በጣም a good rating but her she's a camera shy can't do shit about it so okay we're done we're going to have a coffee ምናምን ነገር we're going to have a walk and rate it 1 to 10 7 out of 10
yeah
it was 9 for me so people ጨርሰናል ዛሬ we had our coffee ምናምን ነገር we had fun it could have been more fun ሁሉንም ብንጫወት but like I couldn't the vomit I had በጣም stomach ache ምናምን ነገር she was chilling but I wasn't so yeah that's pretty much it ይመቻችሁ next ደግሞ የት እንደምሄድ ምናምን ነገር ኮሜንት ላይ ያስቀምጡልኝ ይመቻችሁ have a beautiful night